Hi, once again, Grand Rising. How are you? Welcome back to lesson 4 of Learn Ekegusii with Boyani. Alright, so far we have learned the letter A to F, and that is A, Ba, Cha, Da, E, Fa. So today we are going to learn letter G and H. Letter G and H. Now in Ekegusii, letter G sounds like Ga. Letter G sounds like Ga. Letter H sounds like Ha. Ga, Ha. Now in letter G, one of the most common words that you can tell any Gusii speaking person and they will just laugh and smile is Raki. Raki. That is like, oh please. Raki. We have words like Gosaba, to pray. Gosaba, to pray. So G is for Raki, Raki. G is for Raki, Raki. Alright, now let's go to letter H. Letter H doesn't have so many words that use the letter H. Because as I told you before, the Gusii language is a Bantu language and usually it begins with vowels and ends with vowels. So an example of a word that begins with H is hoteli. Even though this is not an original Kisii word, it's borrowed from English. Hoteli. H for hoteli. So hoteli. H for hoteli. Hoteli. Good. I hope you've got it. Do you know any more words that begin with Ga and Ha? In the comment section, and that is it for our lesson today. Thank you for joining me. Kindly like and share. Drop your thoughts in the comment section and see you again. Bye bye.